Instead of saying weakness, which incriminates that you have an imperfection, a better word or phrase to use is, in your annual evaluation, what do you use instead of weakness? That's right. You can say area of improvement or area of development. Agree? Ito pa yung favorite ko. When someone tells me, John, what's your weakness? Ayoko sabihin na may weakness ako. Sabihin ko, it's outside my expertise. Di ba? That's a better way to say it. And you don't incriminate yourself, but they're also the same thing. Your choice of words matter. Another one, when I was in another company before, when I was in the corporate world, we used the word delta to refer to weakness. Why? Delta in calculus is rate of... Hindi po sila nag-calculus no nga. Delta is what? The rate of change. And so the idea is that weakness should not be stagnant. It should be improved. And so when I say public speaking is my delta, it implies to my brain that I have to do something about it. Kasi yung mga iba, alam mo ang bagal-bagal mo. Yung iba ang mindset nila, oo nga po eh. You might find this funny, but there are people who are like that. But the correct answer should be, yes, I am. I'm sorry for that, but I will be faster. I will try to work harder. That's the mindset that you want at the end of the day, right? So instead of saying in this case, he's not reliable in this project, it's his weakness, you can say, engaging a customer is an area of improvement I'd like to help you with. Or, overspending your annual budget for business has always been your delta, John. What's your plan to next year to manage it? You see how choice of words do matter.